let's get this video rolling. Everybody needs to brush up on our safety procedures. Let's talk about stepping onto the moving platform.
Chill, man. Wait for the crew to direct you to your ride vehicle.
Pay attention when you step on the moving bell. Please be careful to step up over the edge when you enter the vehicle.
Please move all the way to the far side of the ride vehicle and sit down.
Once you are seated, pull the lap bar over you and down as far as you can. If you're not sure if it's tight enough, please signal over to one of the crew for some help.
Tummy check on aisle 2. Please keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times.
And please keep your head back against the seat while the ride is in motion. And please keep your head back against the seat while the ride is in motion.
Are you ready to rock out making music video history? Let's hit it! Hasta!
Attention, ride vehicles will begin moving immediately. Please remain clear to ride track.
Hold on tight, baby, because we're taking you sky. You ready to rock it?
There's so many songs about rainbows. The rainbow connection. Who said that every wish would be heard and answered?
Dude, that rocked! The stuff we got on film was awesome. Your expression. Hey, you just look out back to the station. Please remain seated until these cats give you the green light to exit the vehicle to the right side.
Please be attentive and look carefully as you step down onto the moving belt. We don't want any broken fingers out there now. See you downstairs at the editing kiosk.